This is how to fix product activation failed from Microsoft Office. We're going to go down here and look up File Explorer. Once you have this open, we're going to go to the left side to this PC, go to your C drive, go to Program Files, then open up Common Files right here. Once you've done that, we're going to go to Microsoft Shared, and here you'll find the folder that says Office Software Protection Platform. Go ahead and open up and run this app 3 times. You need to run this program 3 times in order for your Microsoft Office to work again. Once you've done that, we can go and open up any application. Like let's go and open up Word right here. And if you go into your blank document or whatever kind of document, you will no longer have that error code. That is how to fix your product activation failed for Microsoft Office.